India is a country where different religious communities not just reside peacefully but also participate actively in each other's festivities and occasions. A similar example was seen in the Imphal city of Manipur, where the Mera Houchonga festival was celebrated, which portrays brotherhood and harmony.
Festivals in India not only portray a region's culture and lifestyle, but also show the sense of unity and brotherhood that prevails all around the country. In Imphal city of Manipur, a similar festival called Mera Houchonga, which portrays the bond of brotherhood between the people of the hills and valleys in the state, is being celebrated for years. Attended by all ethnic groups of Manipur, the celebration takes place at the royal palace where all the rituals are performed.
It's having a long legacy of its celebration for about 2000 years. So last of all, let this festival brings peace, prosperity, love and unity in the state, and re-strengthen the bond of love and the brotherhood in the state.
Organized by a state-level organizing committee, the rituals began with a procession ceremony in the morning where delegates and participants carried out a procession from Sana Konung to Kangla area. A ceremony where different tribal groups from both the hill and the valley exchanged gifts as a token of respect and gratitude for each other's communities were performed. Different tribal communities exhibited their culture through dance and music performances. The occasion served as a demonstration of how diverse communities may coexist peacefully while preserving their own cultures.
This is the festival of the ethnic group of Manipur. So this brings the peace and harmony within the community of Manipur. And I also would like to put up in this way, the more we explore the reality, the more peace will bring in this Manipur through this Mera Houchonga.
The festival itself exemplifies the unity and solidarity and the sense of eternal bonding between various ethnic communities of Manipur.